Welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, where we unlock the mysteries of the IELTS exam to help you achieve your target scores. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from New Zealand, here to guide you through today's topic, accommodation. Let's analyze the first question. Describe the house or apartment in which you currently live. Here is our speaking template. First, you need a great introduction. Currently, I reside in a, and then use size adjective, type of accommodation, which is, and then here you can include additional details. Next, description. There is, and then indicate a list of features such as garden, swimming pool, fireplace, it's nicely decorated, and so on. Next, importance. These elements contribute to the overall comfort and functionality of the living space. Let's listen to Band 9 speaking response.
Describe the house or apartment in which you currently live.
Currently, I reside in a cozy apartment located in the heart of the city. It's a moderate-sized apartment with modern decor that provides warmth and comfort. While I don't have a garden or swimming pool, I do have access to a communal garden within the apartment complex, which adds a touch of greenery to my living environment. Although there's no fireplace, the heating system keeps the apartment snug during colder months. The decor is minimalist yet stylish, creating a pleasant atmosphere conducive to, leads to, relaxation and productivity.
Now let's analyze question 2. Do you think it's better to live in a house or an apartment? Here is our speaking template. Although most people prefer to live in, I prefer to live in for 2 reasons. And then firstly, indicate the first reason. Secondly, indicate the second reason. And then conclusion, overall, and then preferred type offers advantages that align with my lifestyle. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response.
Do you think it is better to live in a house or an apartment?
Although most people prefer to live in spacious houses, I prefer to live in an apartment for 2 reasons. Firstly, apartments often offer convenience and accessibility, especially in urban areas where amenities and transportation are within easy reach. Secondly, apartments require less maintenance, allowing me to focus on other more important aspects of my life without worrying about tasks like gardening or repairs. Overall, the compact nature of apartments suits my lifestyle and preferences.
Now, let's analyze question 3. What are the advantages and disadvantages of having a garden? Here is our speaking template. One of the main benefits of having a garden would be, and then indicate the first advantage. Next, the second potential advantage would be, indicate the second advantage. Next, despite all these benefits, one would have to, and then indicate the first drawback, because, and explain the reason. What's worse, one might also have to, and then talk about the second drawback. Let's listen to a great Band 9 speaking response.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of having a garden?
One of the main benefits of having a garden would be the opportunity to grow fresh produce, which not only promotes a healthy lifestyle but also saves money on groceries. The second potential advantage would be the mental and emotional benefits of spending time outdoors, such as stress relief and improved mood. Despite all these benefits, one would have to invest time and effort in garden maintenance because neglect can lead to overgrowth and pest infestations. What's worse, one might also have to contend with unpredictable weather conditions, which can affect the success of gardening endeavors.
Dear IELTS candidates, you can maximize your IELTS speaking score by answering the same questions using the same provided templates. Record your audio responses and submit them to our website for expert evaluation and personalized feedback. Unlock your potential with IELTS Secrets podcast.